Start by putting the backflush disc into the portafilter. Then add 1 teaspoon of Visa to the portafilter. Put a paper towel over the drip tray and lock in the portafilter. Turn on the machine and press the brew button 5 times, waiting 3 to 5 seconds between each time. Notice the soapy water that is going into the drip tray. Remove the portafilter and the paper towel and rinse out the portafilter. Replace the portafilter and the paper towel and press the brew button 5 more times. Remove the portafilter and the paper towel and rinse it out 1 more time. Replace the portafilter and the paper towel and press the brew button 5 more times. Remove the portafilter and the paper towel, press the brew button and let it run until the water is clear. Turn off your machine. That's it.